This tiny trickle of water can carve stone, but can you change the world? The word, force. The walk, West Palisades Trail by the Chattahoochee River. Taoism teaches Wu Wei, which stands for non-action or not forcing. Alan Watts compares it to turning a key. You have to jiggle it just right. The Tao Te Ching says nothing is weaker than water, but nothing overcomes the strong and hard like it. Let's give it a try. Ovid, the Roman poet, once said, "Dripping water hollows out a stone not by force, but through persistence." Let's speed this up. Well, that didn't work. How about a new approach?
Approximately 10 hours later.
Can you change the world? Sure. But water doesn't ask for permission to change the world. It just keeps moving. Be like water. Find your way. And remember, the strongest force is not always the one that pushes the hardest.